Today we are making one of my favorite comfort food glow-ups. Crispy pork loin, lighten up, high in protein, and ridiculously good. We are pan frying with barely any fat and even doing a super light air fryer version too. Let's go. I'm starting with 3 pieces of pork loin. Pork loin is naturally low in calories and high in protein, lean, filling, and perfect for meal prep. I usually buy a whole piece, portion it out, and freeze what I'm not using right away. Super convenient. These slices are about 1.5 inches thick, nice and hearty. Each slice is around 8 to 9 ounces. It's quite big. Time to tenderize. Grab some plastic wrap to keep things neat. No pork splatter decorating the kitchen today. You can use the flat or spiky side of the meat mallet. Just get the stress out and flatten the pork a bit. Next up, season generously with salt, sweet paprika, and freshly ground pepper. Flip it. Wash those hands. And let's season the other side too. Simple spices, but so much flavor. Now for the breading. 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. That's it. We're keeping it light and crisp. Minimal coating, maximum crunch. Season the flour and egg with a little salt and pepper. Whisk that egg like it owes you money. Coat each pork piece lightly in flour. Shake off the excess. You can even weigh how much flour you are using, just like this. Then into the egg. And finally, breadcrumbs. Nothing too thick. We're not making pork armor here. Repeat for all 3. Preheat your pan. Medium heat is perfect. Add just a teaspoon or 2 of lard. I'm using homemade lard here. It's cheaper, flavorful, and honestly, a better fat than a lot of processed oils. Most fried pork is swimming in oil, but we're keeping things light. Less fat, less calories, room for dessert later. Sear each side for a few minutes. Look at that color. Golden, brown, crispy edges and still juicy inside. Add 1 more teaspoon of lard when you flip it. And that's all you need. Now let's do the air fryer version, the lightest of them all. No added fat here, though you can spritz a little butter or oil spray if you want that extra glow up. Preheat the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Pop in the pork. Check after 3 minutes. Flip it and give it another 3 to 4 minutes. Done and done. Looks great. No oil needed. And here's the final result. Pan-fried pork, golden, crispy, and still tender. And air-fried pork, surprisingly moist, light, and just as delicious. I'm serving this up with my homemade pickles because fermented foods equal gut health gold. Tart, tangy, and the perfect match for this juicy pork. Okay, time to dig in. I'm going to the air fried one today, no added fats, but still tastes amazing. Moist, flavorful, and just the right amount of crunch. Honestly, you won't miss the grease at all. So there you have it. Crispy, juicy pork loin 2 ways. Light, satisfying, and totally weeknight friendly. Give it a try. Save this recipe and let me know which version you like best. Catch you in the next one and don't forget to eat your fermented veggies, okay?